So hello everyone, on this video I will share with you some kind of strategy of forex. So watch the till end. And by the way, on this trade, see, as you can, there was high impact news. So let's see what's happening. Then I will enter my three positions and I will added some I think so by stop. Okay, so I will add it because I was just seeing that chart, but I don't know. Yeah, forgot it. That I'll say. Okay, so see that I will enter three positions, but let's see what's happening. Few minutes. So as you can see, a few minutes later, I think so, few 15 minutes. So price are going up minutes upwards, but why? So I will explain. Stop it. So one thing that I want to share with you. So see, this strategy are not 100%, so that's why I will share that strategy I know, but be carefully. And one thing I will explain why I was buying, but one thing you note, this strategy are not 100%, so that's why people what thing that I will share. People thinking this strategy, when people gets profit, he was thinking profit. He was thinking nice, but when they are losing, they are blame me. So that's why I will just share with you. I was not teaching you. Okay, so one position I want to close because price are going up, so that's why I don't want more risk. Okay, so see, I was getting some profit for increase my balance. So see, I will talk about next. Okay. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine. So what is the reason of I was buying? So I will explain. Okay, so as you can see, there we having a chart. So chart on this chart price are going down, but when we see awesome oscillator, so we can call it OS, so price was going up. Okay, so that kind of reason, that's why I was buying. So this is not only reason that's why I'm buying. There was a more kind of reason, that's why I was buying. So this is a basic reason. Okay, so this is a basic reason, that's why I'm buying. Okay, so let's see, price are going up. So as usual, I will take some profit, but let's see. So guys, next, what is our TP, means trade price? Okay, so I will explain one by one. So first, our TP was this one. So why this one? What is reason for this? So I will explain. Okay, one by one, so do not get tension. Okay, so this is the first one. When price the cross first TP, then price was going to the second. Okay, so let's see, I will explain. Okay, when this is okay, I will explain. Okay, what I was saying, yeah, I was really confused. Okay, so when we going to the settings, then go into the line chart. So line chart very helpful, they are. So as you can see, there we having rally base rally. Okay, see, there we having rally base rally, means price are going to the like a base and then going to the back. Okay, so see, the price are making rally base rally. So and this rally base rally are fresh, so that's why our first target. Okay, because lots of there we having resistance, but they are not fresh, they are already used it. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, so let's see next. price are going up. Okay, okay, nice. So can I hold or what? Yeah, I will taking some profit. Okay, I don't want this. Okay, so this account is small, but I don't want more risks. That's why I was closing. Okay, that's better. Then you will get earlier profit. That's better. Okay, if you wanna low risk, zero risk, so you will close early. Okay, so that's all there. That's all. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I think you all learned some kind of knowledge. So if you wanna more knowledge, then subscribe. Bye bye.